Folks, welcome to IPL Nuggets. Let's dive right into the CSK vs DC game. A sensible start. DC openers made a very subdued start in the match, which for a very long time felt like an overcorrection from the first game where they had lost 13 for 3 in the first 4 overs. Albeit it did eventually turn out to be a very smart strategy. A Prithvi unearthed. Prithvi Shaw played a very matured innings which felt like a coming of age innings for him. It felt like Prithvi has had a talking off from punter as it showed in his shot selection and approach at the crease. He, along with Shikhar, put up in many ways a match-winning opening stand for DC. CSK's spin problem. It's always said that your biggest strength can sometimes be your biggest weakness. This has been very evident with CSK in the first 3 matches as CSK spinners have been neutralized ruthlessly. This has put extra pressure on MSD as he has always been a spin bowling captain. The problem can be highlighted by the fact that CSK spinners went for 77 runs and picked 2 wickets while DC spinners went for just 41 and picked 1 wicket in 8 overs of bowling. Another CSK start which wasn't one really. This has been another problem with CSK as they just don't seem to be able to start a chase at all. This can be highlighted by the fact that CSK were 47 for 3 at the end of the first 10 overs, chasing a target in excess of 170. This was very well put by Harsha Bhogle when he said that CSK are taking so much time packing that don't matter how fast they run later, they just can't catch the winning train anymore. Win the toss and chase? That certainly has been the mantra adopted by all captains this season of IPL, but it's safe to say that it hasn't worked out that way. Captains winning the toss have chosen to field first in all 7 games till now, but only one team, that is CSK in the first game, has been able to successfully chase a target. It seems the dew factor has been overruled by the sudden slowing down of the pitches. Will be interesting to see what captains do going ahead. That's all folks, we'll be back after the KKR vs SRH game.